Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside. Okay, but if you look at closely, what you can see, this upside is very slow. Okay, and it is going on the narrow pattern. Okay, see, look at this particular pattern. See, first the pattern was very high. As soon as it started moving upside, it is trying to go on a narrow range. Okay, now chances are very high that it can go further high because overall trend is upside, but the volatility is good. Yes, when the volatility is good, what we must be doing, always try to remember, reduce your quantity to half if the volatility is high. Increase your target by twice as well as your SL. Okay, these two things. Suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are very high, yes, it will sustain and it can go further high because there is a clear pattern forming. Okay, and but if the price fall below a level of around $2.8190, then a probability of going further fall we can see in the price of natural gas. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 3 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, there is a clear pattern forming since 2 weeks. You can see there is a pattern which is showing that it can go further upside, and chances of touching a level of around $2.8450 is there, and if the price sustain above this level, it will cross a level of $2.480, and chances of going towards a level of 2.8794 is there. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, a probability of going further high we can see, and then it will touch a level of $2.8828 after crossing this level. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, a probability of crossing a level of 2.8996 is there. So keep that in mind. If it sustain this level, chances of crossing this level is also there, and to a level of 2.8828 is also there, and it will cross a level of $2.8996. And if the price move up that level, a probability of crossing a level of 2.899, from there it will go towards a level of around $3.0338. Okay, and this is the high of this zone. So as soon as started sustaining above this level, it will cross that level and it will go towards a level of $3.053 and then further upside, because this is the high of this zone. So, and this level is already being tested, so chances are very high it will go further upside. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me also. Okay, so once the price sustain above $3.053, chances of going towards 3.0871 is there, and from there a further high we can see towards a level of $3.2268. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, a further high we can see. Now remember something, market is always uncertain. If you are thinking it will go upside or downside, no, it will not. Okay, it will only go when there is a breakout happening, some news is coming or some event is there, then we can see there will be a rise or fall. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it will come down towards a level of $2.8363. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, then the next support coming at a level of 2.8199. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, it will cross a level of around $2.8134. that is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will go towards a level of $2.7906. Okay, and once the price fall below a level of 2.7906, it will go further fall, and a probability of going towards a level of 2.7906. And if the price fall below that level, we can see it will touch a level of $2.7680. Okay, and once it started falling below that level, we can see it will go further down and it will touch a level of $2.7480. Okay, and if the price fall below that level also, a further fall we can see, and it will touch a level of around $2.7328. Okay, keep that in mind. There is a clear pattern forming, so as soon as if the price fall below a level of $2.8140, chances of going further fall we can see. Overall trend is upside as of now till the time it is sustaining this level 2.8140. As soon as start breaking that level, a further fall we can see towards $2.7680 to a level of 2.7328. And if the price fall below this level, chances of going further fall we can see, and a probability of going below a level of 2.7 we can see in the price of silver, in the price of natural gas. Okay, so once the price started falling below this level, we can see it will go towards a level of 2.6302 also. Once the price fall below a level of 2.6680. Okay, so keep that in mind that there is a higher chances that if the price sustain above a level of around $2.8400 upside movement we can see, but if the price fall below a level of 2.8160, a further fall we can see in the price of natural gas. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.